Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best drip tape roll is probably one of the most efficient ways to water your garden, especially if you're looking to conserve water and boost your plant's health. This video will dive deep into the world of drip tape, exploring its benefits, how it works, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your needs. We'll cover everything from the materials used to the spacing of the emitters, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Juvale Black Barber Neck Strips, 5 rolls, 500 strips. Keep your clients clean and comfortable with these neck strips. They effectively contain loose hair and prevent drips during various beauty treatments. Cleanup is a breeze with these disposable strips. After each use, simply discard them for a swift and convenient cleanup process. Applying these strips is incredibly easy. Just wrap it around the client's neck, secure the ends, and you're ready to drape the cape. Designed for a comfortable and secure fit, these strips stretch to accommodate various neck sizes. It ensures an excellent fit for every client. This package provides a generous supply for your salon or barbershop. With 500 strips in total, you'll have plenty for all your clients. These strips are tailored for professional use, enhancing the efficiency and cleanliness of your operations. It's a must-have for any barber. What we like. This product offers efficient hair protection, keeping clients clean and comfortable. It's also designed for quick and easy cleanup, saving you time. If you're a barber or stylist looking for a simple way to enhance your service and maintain a clean workspace, you should consider this. What people say. Very good quality. These neck strips are the best. Always super stretchy and never an issue sticking together. And on the plus they are black. Number 4. DEMEDO 3x 16.5 foot pipe insulation tape. This 16.5 feet long and 3-inch wide tape is longer than others, ensuring complete coverage. It's also easy to customize and apply to any shape with scissors. Made from soft rubber foam, this tape easily conforms to different pipe shapes, including elbows. The high-density foam protects pipes from harsh weather conditions. The upgraded adhesive backing provides strong adhesion to various pipe materials. It's easy to apply and stays secure over time, eliminating the need for extra glue. This tape protects pipes from freezing and sun exposure, preventing expensive repairs. It's waterproof, weather-resistant, and provides excellent thermal insulation. For the best protection, use this tape with our other pipe covers. It prevents damage from intense sun and freezing, making it the ideal outdoor pipe insulation solution. What we like. This pipe insulation tape provides better insulation and is flexible enough to fit various pipe shapes. It also boasts a longer service life due to its upgraded adhesive. If you have pipes exposed to the elements and want to avoid costly repairs, you should consider this. What people say. The self-adhesive backing makes installation incredibly easy, no extra tools or mess. It wraps snugly around pipes and creates a tight seal that holds up even in outdoor conditions. The foam is durable yet flexible, and it sticks securely even in cold weather. Number 3. T-Tape 588mm 8 Spacing Drip Tape. This is the T-Tape drip tape. It's designed for efficient and effective irrigation. It helps you conserve water and promote healthy plant growth. The 5/8 diameter ensures optimal water flow. It's a key feature for delivering water directly to the roots of your plants. This helps to reduce water waste. With an 8mm thickness, this tape is built to last. It provides durability and resistance to wear and tear. This ensures a long-lasting irrigation solution. The 8 spacing between emitters provides even water distribution. This uniform watering promotes consistent plant growth. It's a great choice for various crops. The 0.34 GPM flow rate ensures efficient water delivery. It provides the right amount of water for your plants. This helps to prevent overwatering. This roll contains 7,500 feet of drip tape. It offers extensive coverage for your irrigation needs. It's perfect for large gardens or agricultural applications. What we like. This drip tape ensures uniform water distribution across your crops. Its high plugging resistance and low-profile drippers make it a reliable choice. If you're looking for an efficient and durable irrigation solution for your garden, you should consider this. What people say. The drip tape is working great. The product is exactly as described and works great. The tape is easy to work with. Number 2. Drip tape, 15 ml, irrigation kit for vegetable gardens. This irrigation kit is designed to help you water your garden more efficiently. It ensures that your plants receive the right amount of water directly to their roots, promoting healthy growth. The kit includes 2 rolls of drip tape, each 750 feet long. This provides ample coverage for your vegetable garden, allowing you to set up multiple rows for optimal irrigation. With the included fittings, you can easily set up to 20 rows of drip tape. This makes it ideal for gardens of various sizes, ensuring that every plant gets the water it needs. Setting up this kit is straightforward and user-friendly. The components are designed for easy assembly, so you can quickly get your irrigation system up and running. By using this drip tape kit, you can ensure your vegetable garden thrives. It helps conserve water while delivering it directly to the plants, leading to healthier and more productive yields. What we like. This kit helps you water your garden more effectively. It's designed for easy installation and is perfect for vegetable gardens. If you're looking to simplify your gardening and ensure your plants get the water they need, you should consider this. What people say. Works great. Works like it should. Number 1. USA made 5/8 drip irrigation tubing, 1,000-foot roll. This drip tape is made with premium quality materials. It has no seams, ensuring greater reliability and consistent installation. The drippers are manufactured using injection molding. This design provides a high degree of plugging resistance, ensuring uniform water distribution. This drip tape can be used in various settings. It works equally well for both above-ground and subsurface installations. The low-profile drippers minimize friction loss. They are welded on the inside wall of the tubing. Each dripper includes an integrated inlet filter. This feature helps prevent clogging, ensuring the system's longevity and efficiency. What we like. This premium drip tape ensures uniform water distribution and is highly resistant to plugging. It's designed for reliability and ease of use. If you like a high-quality, efficient irrigation system for your garden, you should consider this. What people say. The drip tape is working great. The product is exactly as described and works great. This drip tape is easy to work with and the water distribution is very even. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.